You are on the brink of transforming your financial life. The secret? Positive affirmations. Welcome to the world of these powerful statements that can shape your mindset and behavior towards financial success. They are not mere words but seeds planted in your mind, ready to grow into prosperity. Your mind is like a garden. The thoughts you sow will shape your reality. Positive affirmations help you to plant growth-oriented thoughts, fostering and conducive to financial success. They work on the science of neuroplasticity, which is your brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. When you repeat a positive affirmation, you're training your brain to strengthen the neural pathways associated with that thought. This turns the affirmation into a belief, influencing your actions. For instance, affirming, "I am capable of achieving great wealth," reinforces your self-belief and motivates you to take action towards financial prosperity. Each time you repeat this, you're programming your mind to believe in your financial success, driving your behavior to turn dreams into reality. Remember, you have the ability to shape your financial future with positive affirmations. So let's begin this journey of transformation together. Now you're probably wondering, how do positive affirmations contribute to financial success? Well, let's dive right in. Positive affirmations, those empowering, uplifting statements we tell ourselves, play a crucial role in shaping our mindset. And when it comes to financial success, mindset is everything. So how does this work? Positive affirmations serve to rewire our brain. They help us to adopt what we call a growth and abundance mindset. This is a way of thinking that embraces potential, welcomes opportunities, and isn't afraid of taking calculated risks. When we consistently remind ourselves of our worth, our potential, and our capacity for wealth, we start to believe it. And when we believe it, we act accordingly. We make decisions that align with this mindset, decisions that are conducive to financial growth and prosperity. We're more likely to take risks, to invest, and to put ourselves in positions where financial success is achievable. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some real-life examples. Take the case of a successful entrepreneur. Every morning, without fail, they repeat to themselves, "I am a magnet for success. Money flows easily and abundantly to me." This simple yet powerful affirmation fuels their drive, guides their decisions, and ultimately contributes to their financial success. Or consider a top-tier investor who constantly affirms, "I make smart financial decisions. I am excellent at creating wealth." This affirmation not only boosts their confidence but also influences their investment choices, leading to significant financial gains. These individuals aren't successful by chance. Their consistent use of positive affirmations has helped shape their mindset, their behavior, and ultimately, their financial reality. As you can see, positive affirmations are not just feel-good phrases, they are catalysts for tangible financial growth. They help us to break free from limiting beliefs and to embrace a mindset of abundance and prosperity. And when we do that, financial success isn't just a distant dream, it's an achievable reality. So the next time you're doubting your financial capabilities, remember the power of positive affirmations. Remember their role in shaping your financial destiny. As you can see, positive affirmations are not just feel-good phrases, they are catalysts for tangible financial growth. Now, let's dive into crafting your own financial affirmations. Creating your financial affirmations is a journey of self-discovery and growth. The process is not complicated, but it requires honesty and a clear understanding of your financial goals. Here, we will guide you step by step on how to craft an effective financial affirmation. Step 1. Make it personal. Your affirmation must resonate with you. It should be about your dreams, your aspirations. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," you could say, "I am creating a life of abundance and prosperity." This statement is more personal and evokes a stronger emotional response. Step 2. Keep it positive. Remember, our minds tend to focus on the positive. So if you say, "I am not in debt," your mind will focus on the word debt. Instead, try saying, "I am financially free." This statement is positive and directly focuses on your goal. Step 3. Use the present tense. Affirmations are powerful when they are stated in the present tense. It's about tricking your brain into believing that what you desire is already happening. Instead of saying, "I will be financially independent," say, "I am financially independent." This creates a sense of urgency and propels you to take action. Step 4. Be precise. Vague affirmations can lead to vague results. If your goal is to save a specific amount of money, include that amount in your affirmation. Instead of saying, "I am saving money," say, "I am saving $50,000. This specificity makes your financial goal tangible and gives you a clear target to aim for. Now let's look at some examples of powerful financial affirmations. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity is drawn to me. I release all resistance to money, and I now allow it to flow joyously into my life. I always have more than enough money to fulfill my needs. My actions create constant wealth, prosperity, and abundance. I am aligned with the energy of wealth and abundance. Each of these affirmations is personal, positive, in the present tense, and precise. They are designed to inspire confidence, foster a positive mindset, and set a clear financial goal. Crafting your financial affirmations is an essential step towards financial freedom. It's about more than just words. It's about changing your mindset, shifting your focus, and manifesting your financial dreams into reality. These affirmations are your personal mantras for financial success. They are not just words, they are powerful tools. Repeat them daily, believe in them, and watch your financial life transform. Remember, the power to change your financial future is in your hands, so start affirming your wealth and abundance today. These affirmations are your personal mantras for financial success. Repeat them daily, believe in them, and watch your financial life transform. So, you've created your affirmations. Now how do you incorporate them into your daily life? The beauty of affirmations is that they can be woven into the fabric of your day, no matter how busy or relaxed your schedule may be. Let's explore some practical ways to make this happen. Firstly, consider keeping a journal dedicated to your financial affirmations. The act of writing has a way of etching thoughts more deeply into our minds. Each morning, as you sip your coffee or tea, write down your affirmations. Let the ink flow with your aspirations, the paper be the canvas of your future success. Next is the power of repetition. During moments of quiet, such as during meditation or before sleeping, silently repeat your affirmations. Feel the weight of each word, visualize the reality they represent. By repeating them in a meditative state, you're allowing these affirmations to seep into your subconscious, strengthening your belief in them. And don't underestimate the power of technology in this journey. Use your smartphone to your advantage. Set reminders throughout the day that prompt you to pause, breathe, and recite your affirmations. This works particularly well for those of us with packed schedules. A gentle nudge from your phone can be the perfect prompt to refocus on your financial goals. Another practical approach is to incorporate affirmations into your exercise routine. As you jog, lift weights, or stretch, sync your affirmations with your movements. There's something incredibly potent about combining the physical and mental in this way. Lastly, don't forget the power of the spoken word. Say your affirmations out loud when you're alone, or even share them with a trusted friend or mentor. Speaking your affirmations adds an extra layer of reality to them. Remember, the goal is to make these affirmations so much a part of your life that they become second nature. This is not a one-time event, but a lifestyle change. Consistency is key. Make your affirmations a part of your daily routine, and soon, you'll start to see their power. The odyssey towards financial attainment commences this moment with the formulation of these empowering affirmations. 1. I magnetize wealth. 2. Prosperity is attracted to me. 3. I welcome all the riches life bestows upon me. 4. I am liberated financially. 5. My earnings are perpetually on the rise. 6. I am deserving of garnering more wealth. 7. Wealth finds its way to me easily and without effort. 8. Prosperity continuously infuses life. You've embarked on the first leg of the journey by crafting these affirmations and embedding them into your daily regimen. Bear in mind, consistency is the linchpin. This is a pledge to your future self. It's the assurance of prosperity and financial independence. Let these affirmations reverberate in your consciousness each day, being the guiding principle behind every decision, every step, every investment. Attainment of financial success isn't an endpoint at the conclusion of a straight track. It's an odyssey, a meandering trace with ascents and descents, challenges and victories. Embrace this. The richness of the journey resides not merely in the wealth you gather, but also in the personal development you undergo, the endurance you cultivate, and the sagacity you acquire. If you're primed to unravel the mysteries of financial success, ensure to subscribe. Your journey towards financial success is initiated with a single affirmation. Embark on your journey of financial affirmations today. As we traverse this path of financial success, it's important to remember that the journey is just as significant as the destination. Every affirmation you make, every decision you take, every investment you make, is a stepping stone on this odyssey. The wealth you amass is not just in the form of currency, but also in the wisdom you acquire, the resilience you develop, and the personal growth you experience. This journey may be fraught with challenges and setbacks, but remember, these are opportunities for growth. As you begin to embrace this journey, you'll find that prosperity isn't just about accumulating wealth, but also about enriching your life in countless other ways. So don't just focus on the end goal, embrace the journey. Let your affirmations guide you, let your actions reflect your affirmations, and let your journey be a testament to your resilience and determination. As we wrap up this episode, remember, the first step towards financial success is to believe in your power to attract wealth. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspirations on this journey towards financial success. Let your affirmations be the compass guiding you through this odyssey of financial success. Stay tuned for more episodes that will help you chart your course towards prosperity and abundance.